This AI tool might actually be the future of crypto. It can analyze the entire market in real time, help you find the latest coins to buy, create cryptocurrencies, and even make NFTs. It's called ChainGPT, and today I'm putting it to the ultimate test. So the first thing I'll ask us to do, pretty simple, is just tell us about the recent change in Bitcoin, like why is the price going up so much? So I went ahead and asked it, and boom, we already got a ton of information, and it's still going. I mean, that was pretty easy. That's something that even ChatGPT can do. So why don't we go a little bit further? So instead, let's ask it to scan the crypto market for low-priced coins to buy that could pump in the next 24 hours. Low market cap as well. And as you can see, it just gave us a bunch of information. We can also use the trading assistant to find different coins and look for trends. For example, let's look at Bitcoin in the monthly perspective, and it can help you find information on when to buy and when to sell, just like a professional trader. Next up, and one of my favorite things, is the smart contract generator. What this does is you can create your very own cryptocurrencies with specific uses, and it will generate all of the code behind it for you, so you don't have to worry about a single thing. Create a token that pays out its users every single day from the 5% tax. And it will generate a bunch of code. And once it's done, all you have to do is click compile this contract, and it will actually launch the coin for you. So you can just sit back, relax, and profit. But that'll be it for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and slap the bell. Don't miss out on any of those new videos. But anyway, you guys, I will be seeing you all next time.